Welcome, everyone! Today, we're going to dive into the world of cooking and learn how to make a delicious and moist chocolate cake with eggs, milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. This recipe is perfect for any occasion and is sure to impress your friends and family. First, let's gather our ingredients. For the cake, you'll need the following: 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 large eggs, 1 cup of whole milk, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of unsalted butter. Softened, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now, let's move on to the preparation. Start by preheating your oven to 350 F 175C and greasing a 9-inch round cake pan. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the eggs and milk. Add the softened butter and sugar and beat until light and fluffy. Next, add the vanilla extract and mix well. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until just combined. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and smooth the top. Bake the cake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Once the cake has cooled, you can frost and decorate it as desired. This delectable chocolate cake with eggs, milk, and vanilla extract is perfect for breakfast, dessert, or a cozy afternoon treat. Enjoy!